morning, guys. It's another beautiful day. It's on a Monday morning. It's not very sunny, it's pretty just calm and cloudy, but it's not very cold. So, yeah, I'm very happy to be back here with another video. This is the world of MK by NDUTA Kinyanjui. If you're new here, please subscribe and you're very much welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. So I woke up some time back at around, what time did I wake up? I woke up at 7:30. I struggled waking up today because I slept late yesterday. I I was struggling to sleep, so that definitely affected my morning. But here we are. Um, yeah, I woke up. I made my bed. I freshened up. I showered. As you can see, I'm all dressed up to work from home. I am currently listening to a podcast, Legally Clueless. I think this is episode 240. They're talking about first time salary experiences. And let me tell you, I don't know, maybe you guys can tell me your first time salary experiences because my experience was very funny. I got paid around 50K for a job I was doing. It was my first job, definitely in the film industry. I got paid 50K. Let me tell you guys, I went to Gikomba. I went to town. I did shopping worth 30,000. I don't know what was so exciting about it, but I was so excited to do it. I'd never touched such an amount of money that was mine or that belonged to me. Like I could do whatever I want with that money. So I bought clothes and shoes and did I buy bags? I don't know. Yeah, worth 30,000. I got myself makeup worth 10K. And then I was left with 10K. 10K, I bought some few things, equipment wise. Yeah, definitely. But yeah, that was my first experience with salary or with my first salary experience. And it was, yeah, I would love to hear yours. But anyway, right now I would like to get to work. I've already gone through my to-do list, so I don't have much to do today. I just have to put together some work documents and get to my own things. Yeah, and definitely set up some few meetings. So that's all I have to do for today, and I guess that's it. And I will probably show you a few things as I go. My coffee is made. I'm almost done actually. I am I'm actually almost done taking it, but yeah. So let's get into the day and see what we have.
Journaling is like a form of self-care to me, and I love doing it because it helps me to set goals, keep track of my goals. It just helps me with a lot of things. Sometimes when I'm feeling overwhelmed, I like to just write things down, at least to release emotions and stuff. And also sometimes when I feel like, it helps me keep track of my mental health, let me put it that way, because this is one of those things that helps me know when I am doing okay or when I'm not. And when I am not, I am simply not able to like keep one or write one. So I like to tell myself that since this is something that I enjoy doing and I'm actually not able to do it, there's something wrong and there's something I should do about it. When I'm reading, I like to like write down the highlight of maybe a chapter, and the highlight of this chapter was you should be willing to pay the price to be in the presence of an extraordinary person. This is because they always something valuable to share or something valuable you can learn from. I hope you take that as well.
I am basically done with my day, with busy part of my day. I am getting into my evening. I'd like to clean my house. Of course, I do have dirty dishes. I will always have dirty dishes. And then, of course, I need to do a little bit of mopping. And then fix some dinner. After dinner, wait, before that, I am so torn between making fries and going to get veggies to make ugali. But I feel like I might just go for fries since I don't feel like going outside, not today, because I will be going out tomorrow. So I might just do that tomorrow. So yeah, and then I have two meetings. After that, I have a meeting at 7 and another one at 8. So yeah, that's basically it. After the meetings, I just do my nighttime routine and go to sleep because that's just about it.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video up to the end. I appreciate your love and support. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. If you have enjoyed watching this video, hit the like button and also share. Thank you so much and see you on the next video.